Hey everybody, I'm back. I know it's been a while. Had a lot of real life stuff going on, some model contests and some other stuff that I was working on that I couldn't live stream or do any of that. And I'll be getting back to live streaming here this week or next week, even with the holiday coming up. But something showed up yesterday that I had pre-ordered about a year ago. I think it was actually maybe a little more than a year ago. But I was really excited to get it, and I wasn't expecting it to show up this week because I really hadn't been paying attention. And the box was there, and I haven't opened it yet. I just took the plastic wrapper off, and that's about it. One of my favorite movies growing up as a kid was Big Trouble in Little China. And today we have the Big Trouble in Little China board game. Excited to see what's in here. There's some miniatures and some really cool printed pieces, it looks like. It's by Everything Epic and Boom Studios. So I just wanted to just go through and just get a general reaction. I got the special edition that has this cool gold box. It's got some pretty cool artwork on the sides. Monster. All this great stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Here we go. First thing, let me get the lid. Ugh. And the box came not ripped, which was amazing because sometimes, I think my Ninja Turtle game, the special edition, the corner came ripped, and I'm happy this one is not. So there we go. Box comes off. Really nice quality. And let's just see what's in here. We got the timeline for the way the game works. It opens up, folds out like that. That's pretty awesome. Nice thick paper. Set that off to the side for a moment. I got some punch out. David Lopan. That's pretty close likeness. Looks pretty good. Some punch out coins and tokens. I just bumped the camera. See if you can see in there. Let's put that off to the side. A thank you for purchasing the Big Trouble in Little China game. Important. There's a misprint. Uh-oh. So I have to go through and look at that and make sure I pay attention to it if I ever end up playing the game. Rulebook. I'll set this aside. Let me take the box down and just go through the rulebook a little bit. So we got our rulebook. How many pages? Skip to the end. 3940. Pretty nice quality as for rulebooks go. Fate track dice. Hero phase. Movement enemy phase. Just thumbing through it real fast. Pretty nice stuff. Alright, a lot of reading to do. Not excited about reading. Check this out. There's the next thing that's in there. Some little art pieces. My guess is, oop, there's Mr. David Lopan. Those are nice. Nice little added feature. Okay, now to the nitty gritty. Let's bring this back up. Let's see what we got in here. This is how it comes. Scoot it down a bit. Dice. Lots of dice. Lots of dice. Some cards. Should I open them? Let's see how easy it is to open. Yeah, nice. Sits on the back. These are nice. They have that nice, kind of almost like a slight texture to them. So these are pretty good. The artwork on the front. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Excited for this. Let's take the dice, set those over here, put the cards there for a second. That's how slick they are. It just moved all by itself. Demon Bride. Don't know what that is. I didn't really pay attention to what was going on with the game. I just bought it sight unseen. Little brochure. A quest book. So this has different scenarios, I guess, for what you can do. Nice. Let me get this stack out of the way. Get some of those cards just shown. Dice bag. 6 demon bag. Nice. Wind, fire, all that kind of thing. That's awesome. Oh, what a great movie. Legacy of Lopan campaign book. How many pages there? 39. More cards. Some little cards. I'm not going to open those up. This one is already open. It's missing the top. Or no, it's just got a wrap around it. So go through and do that later. More cards. Get a lot of stuff. This wasn't that expensive either, which I really like. It's a nice little movie themed game. Some pegs, some holders. I'll leave those there for now. Take this off and see what's under. Lots of punch cards. Egg Shen, Margot. See who's on this one. Gonna have fun punching these. Ooh, they're still kind of stuck together. Let me unfold this. Ooh, all right, those are still kind of hooked together. Eddie Lee, Wang Chi, Gracie Law, Jack Burton. Artwork and likeness are pretty good. This is a really good likeness that actually look just like them. Just like them. That's cool. Oop, bang the camera. I gotta get a better board game setup here instead of my miniature painting thing. Alright, Fate Track, Thunder, Lightning. These are still hooked together. I'm more excited about those miniatures because that's really what I come to these for. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Lots of punches. Okay. That. Wild Man, Rain, David Lopan, Main Flesh. Let's get these out of the way. And here we are. Little map of what goes where. Here's your game board, which I can't unfold in front of this camera, but really nice, thick quality. Here's the miniatures. Let's get these going. Let's see what we can do. I'll just pull out a couple of them and see what they look like. Let's start with the Wild Man. It's really nice. Really nice. Heavy, too, for what it is. Let's look at Lopan. Get up in there. That's nice. I like that pose. Let's see what else. We got lightning. Cool little pose on that guy holding the lightning coming down. Thunder. Cool. Actually, that's a really good likeness too. They all are. I'm impressed. Really impressed. Rain. This is going to be cool to paint. Some gang members and stuff. Let's try and get those. Beach. Just kind of look at that. Focus. I apologize for my hands. They're a mess. I was doing a lot of housework yesterday. Putting a floor in. Chain guy. Chain guy. You get 1, 2, a whole bunch of those. A bunch of bullets. The bandoliers. Nice work. One of the most memorable bad guys from the movie. You know who he is if you're an 80s movies fan. What else? The Beholder. Let's take a look at that. Cool. this might, I mean, the way they had to handle it because of what it is dripping goo, keeping it up. You might be able to snip those off and just get a clear rod and make that even cooler. Or not, if you don't feel like doing any hobby work. There's 3 of those. Those metal dudes. It's a cool little game. Pretty happy. Let's see what we got. Here. Get out of there. They clip in there really good. Really nice Jack Burton. This is I'm happy about. The shirt, the design is kind of printed on there. So if you're painting it, you don't have to freehand that crazy design on the front. That's great. There's a Chen. Little glossy. I'll take that off. And 2 more. That's pretty sturdy too. Nice. Finally, let's take a look at this one. That's what we got. Nice. It's got the sign. I can't even do it anymore. So, well, that's it. That's awesome. There's some really cool stuff in here. Can't wait to dig into it more and actually play a game. But yeah, check it out if you get a chance. Pretty cool stuff. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with some live stream this week with some figure painting, some miniature painting, and I'll be back. I promise. It's been a long time. Take care.